Hey everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video we're going to go over how to install Gnome Drawing. So this app, I call it Gnome Drawing. It's just drawing on the FlatHub page, but it's like Microsoft Paint or like a basic drawing tool for Linux. There are many ways you can install this app. I would recommend getting it through FlatHub and Flatpak just because this works on pretty much every distribution. To start the installation, you're going to want to open up a terminal, and if you're on the FlatHub page, you can just go ahead and copy this command here. You can also search Flatpak like so, like Flatpak search drawing, and it will show up right there. But enter the command here, and it will look for matches, download everything you need. You just have to say yes, followed by yes, and it's going to download the platform files that it needs, which may take a bit of time. Alright, so the installation is complete. You can now open up Drawing by searching for it in your app menu. And as you see, it's a basic drawing app. You can make art, you can import pictures, you can do shapes. It's all very nice. So if you need a basic drawing app, this is something I definitely recommend. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.